everyone, welcome back to Gina's Corner. Hi guys, new product alert. We have Kiss Salon Dip. This package includes 40 nails, DIY, gentle on the nails, high premium quality acrylic powder, no UV light needed, easy removal. What more can you ask for? I'm gonna walk you through the steps now. The first step, we wanna remove all the natural oils from the nail. And we do this by applying either acetone or alcohol and wipe from the cuticle down to the tip of the nail. Now it's time to size. I always work, and I recommend you work pinky to thumb, and always use your dominant hand. It just makes the process so much easier. When you apply the tip, and you really want to go 1/16 of an inch into the free edge of the nail, right by the sidewall, and go side to side, make sure that your own nail is not exposed underneath the tip. Now we're ready to apply our French tip nails. Use your brush-on nail glue. Take it out, never too much product. You just want to see just a little ball at the end of the tip of the brush, and lightly right in the well area. In the well, you'll see a line. That line is going to define where you stop putting that gel. Another quick tip, work at an angle, and you're going to push the product that you have, the brush-on nail glue, and you're gonna push it up. So you're basically, it's almost like you're doing a seesaw on the nail between the tip and the nail. If you apply too much product, it's going to push out, which is great because you don't want any air pockets underneath the nail. Now we're ready to file and shape the nails. Today I choose to do a coffin nail, which is very on trend. So let's get started. Now we're ready for our dip powder. I'm gonna open it and place it in this tray right here. I'm going to start with my brush-on gel glue. As I'm applying it, go up to the cuticle, not too much product on the nail, and to the cuticle, but not over it. Working one nail at a time because the glue dries pretty fast. You take the nail tray, slide your finger in at an angle, and then come back up, and you're gonna remove any excess product. Also, a quick tip, if you find that you're having a separation between your nail and the tip, meaning you have a small divot, I recommend filling that in first before you go over the entire nail. And I'm going to show you how to do it. You apply right by the stress area where your nail meets the tip. A little bit you apply. And then you take your dip powder just to fill in that crack or divot. And it's gonna build up that middle part of your nail so it'll look nice and even. Again, using your sponge. Now we're ready for our second layer of brush-on gel glue. On your second coat, you can go a little bit more generous, depending on the length of your nail as well. The longer the nail, the more strength and durability you want. Quick tip, after each application of your brush-on nail glue, wipe it on a paper towel before you put back into the bottle. Next is our activator. This allows the glue to dry lightning speed, and it just finishes off our process. Make sure you do not apply this on the skin. Keep very close to the cuticle, but not on the skin at all. Now we're ready to file and shape our nails and apply the activator to finish off the product. Avoiding the skin, reapply a generous amount of activator to all 10 nails. And then remove excess activator by wiping nail surface with a dry, lint-free wipe. We are one step closer to having beautiful salon French nails. Our last and final step is the brush-on gel glue. Apply this as you would a top coat. Not too little, not too much. Make sure you cover the entire nail and cap the tip. And we're gonna allow this to air dry. And once we're done, you're gonna see a beautiful shine. Thanks for watching, and rock those kiss nails.